Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to half swipe on Snapchat. So if you guys have the new update for Snapchat, you'll be able to half swipe. I know we used to be able to do it to view messages in the past, but if you notice now, once you're on Snapchat, and if you go over and you swipe to the left, it'll open up Snap Maps. It's not going to let us peek and see what the message is in our Snapchat anymore. So if you guys want to learn how to half swipe, it's actually pretty easy to do after the new update. All you have to do is put your finger over the Bitmoji of the message that you're looking to open. And if you put it over the Bitmoji and then swipe over, you'll notice that it will let you in the chat. But if you used to do it the normal way that we used to do it before the update, and we just put our fingers anywhere and swipe over, it'll open up Snap Maps. But again, if you guys just put your finger on the Bitmoji and then slide over, it will then open up the chat like we're used to. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to half swipe after the new update on Snapchat. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.